What's up, Melanin gang? Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to share something with you guys while I decided to get ready for Memorial Day weekend. I won't be talking over this, so if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and join the Melanin gang. And I'll see y'all in my next video, okay? I quickly wanted to explain what I was doing here on this part. So the roots on this wig on this unit was kind of frizzy, so I decided to flat iron the roots and pay attention more to the roots than the rest of the wig. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just pretty much straightening and flattening the roots so that the wig can appear less bulky and lumpy, and get it as flat as possible. So that's what you'll see that I am doing here. Also, I did clip a few of the ends on this unit, but I didn't catch the clip, so that part is going to be shown. You will see a difference in the ends of the unit here. Well, not here, but in the next clip.
Writings on the wall inside my head, inside of me. Holding all these thoughts beneath my skin. Can you believe in all?
Okay, so that concludes this video. Another wash and restyle. This is actually the second time. So if you like how this unit turned out to be, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, ask me how good I've done, and you guys just stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next wig unit upload. See y'all in the next one.